So landing pages. So it's a pretty simple concept. Here's one for Uber. So let's say there's an Uber website, but there's also a Uber landing page just to reel in potential Uber drivers. And they'll put this out there and you just sign up for Uber and that's all the page is. So landing page is just one page. It's like a digital marketing tool. It's where somebody sends you an email for more information. You click on the link in the email and it takes you to the landing page for you to sign up. And a lot of times it's coming from social media first. So you get an Instagram. There's an Instagram post for like a new product that's coming out. I feel like I just saw one the other day for like, there's this new type of Bluetooth microphone, which is really cool, and it's like a new product. Maybe it was from like Kickstarter. Now, are you guys familiar with Kickstarter? Because Kickstarter is like the place where startups sometimes form. And I like to go to Kickstarter every so often to see some of the interesting ideas that are popping up. Actually, haven't been to it in a while, so sometimes I like to look at design and tech. That's where you have a lot of apps. So sometimes Kickstarter will show you the launch page for something like this. But this is where like some startups happen sometimes, is on Kickstarter. The other place that you'll find startups is this Y Combinator. Y Combinator actually has a competition where they have startups come together and they'll give, like here, they'll invest $150,000 on a startup idea. Here's all the different startups that came out of it. Sometimes even for like this project in class, like if you have like a real startup, this could maybe be the start of it. So Y Combinator, Kickstarter, Indiegogo, those are your places for startups. And so when you create that startup, you want to create this landing page as part of it. So any type of idea too, it doesn't necessarily have to be a startup. It could be like a new website, maybe it's a charity. The landing page is what you do while you're developing the website. So you're developing your website, it's going to take 6 months for the website to be done, but you can put up a quick one-page landing page to attract people. So the landing page is different than the whole home page because it's a call to action. It's one focus, one goal. You have one call to action. That's usually sign up. Sign up and we'll tell you when we're going to launch. Sign up and we'll give you a discount. Things to remember for the landing page though is this idea above the fold. So a website can be much taller than your screen. So anything above the fold is what you see on the screen right when you open up the website, the most important information. Another point to a landing page is to show something in action. So have a video or a GIF of some sort. There's no nav bar. The copy is super simple, and you want that page to load quickly because you don't want people to walk away from it and ignore it if it's taking too long to load. So here is you'll hear this term in internet marketing called the funnel. So the idea with the funnel is you try to pull people into the funnel. So you start with social media and email campaigns and even Google ads. So that's the top. And the landing page is the main part of the funnel. And then if you get an email from that landing page, that's when you get a conversion. So a conversion is an email that you get after people come through that funnel. And then landing page versus home page. Home pages will have lots of links. So like your gallery website, you have multiple links going to gallery pages. Usually the landing page has like 0 links. It's super simple. It's just dedicated to that one thing. A lot of times what people will do with landing pages is they'll create 2 landing pages and they'll market each one separately, and that's called A and B testing, where you're launching 2 landing pages for the same product at the same time, and you're trying to see which landing page works better. So that's a way to test your branding for the main website before that website's actually launched by using A and B testing. So you'll hear that term a lot when they're launching a new product. let's say. Um, they do it in all sorts of ways. Has anybody ever been like on a uh, some sort of marketing type test where they pay you to try a new product? Have you ever done that? Um, like I've done it before for like Taco Bell, where you show up and they'll have like one product, but the product will be slightly different, and one group will try one version, the other group will try another version. Like, you know, you think about Taco Bell and all the crazy things they have, like the Crunch Wrap. So they'll have like one version of the Crunch Wrap as your A, another version as your B, and then they can figure out what version works best based on the results of that type of testing.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, it's kind of fun, and they'll pay you. So here more, I just got a link for more examples. So this link has a ton of examples. Um, so you think about all these companies. So Amazon does it all the time for like new Prime movies. You can sign up for Prime. That's the Uber sign up example. But you'll see all these. So it's a very common way to get people to uh, get involved in a new app, a new startup, a new website, all these different things.